Hi, my name's Sai and welcome to my vlog. I spent 4 weeks solo travelling around Colombia at the end of 2024 and was in Cartagena for 7 days. So in this video, I'll be showing you some things to do, places to eat, stuff to see, and what it's like to celebrate New Year's Eve in this great city. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog.
Hola amigos, battery's a bit low. Oops. So the new hostel, lovely. I'm not sensing much of a social vibe, but yeah, very nice. A lot more space. As much as I love Los Patios, it was a bit cramped. Oh, look at this. I would normally stop, but I've got to get some quick food before the boat to update shortly. One of the great things about this place is so cheap. Here's a soup, with some meatballs I ordered, and then there is a chicken on top. I'm feeling quite stuffed now. I did finish it all. Not quite perfect circumstances to be getting on a boat, so I'm going to try and walk this off for a little bit. And this is a good tip for anyone who's considering spending like a while in a city. I would recommend actually moving to different hostels, particularly taking one where, starting off in like a busy like social one where you can meet people, where there's loads of events and that kind of stuff. So you can make friends for solo travelers. But also then move to somewhere a bit quieter. Here's Los Patios behind me, there we go. So you can actually just get a bit of chill on.
Just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new.
The sunset boat tour, some really nice views. The cloud came over just as sunset was coming down, which was a bit annoying. And I couldn't stand the music they were playing on the boat, in all honesty. But there were some really lovely people on the boat. Really nice. So I guess that's hard to think about tours and stuff. Is like the tour itself might be a bit shit, but you do it for the people. Hello. Could I get that towel, please? Yeah. Oh, thank you. I'm so excited about a proper towel. Cannot wait for the shower. Literally cannot wait for the shower. I'll see you guys on the other side where I'm cleaning. I must walk past that church 5-6 times a day. I like the boat thing's okay. Yeah, like, what I don't quite get is, they always play like this shittest music. Like, I don't even think anyone actually listens to Pitbull, but the stuff I always hear at these like parties makes me think he's the most popular fucking artist in the world. At least play like that Balvin fella. Oh, they did play that a little bit. It's like so much Pitbull. It's so shit. Thinking out loud there. Just past Havana, Cafe Havana, which is the South place we went to yesterday. And it was super fun. Like, I wasn't brave enough to show people my rudimentary basic moves of side to side and square. I don't think anyone appreciated that. But it was cool seeing other people like dance. They really enjoyed it. Anyway, back to the hostel that I've checked out of, just because they got a nice rooftop, and meeting some of the peeps from the boat trip for a drink. Met up with Salsa in Medellin. I met in Medellin. For lunch we had like nice Italian. I got attacked by a cat, which was quite amusing. And now we're making our way down to the castle. It's like a short walk from the town, like 14 minutes. Had a bit of a nightmare this morning, so we're going to a beach club this morning. So really early start, like 7:30. You have to be at the pier, marina, even for the boat transfer. Yeah, I've completely missed the taxi. The guys were downstairs. I wasn't, so they've gone without me. It's all my fault. I woke up, I thought someone was in the bathroom because I could hear like running water. So I just like lay down for a bit longer. Then the running water didn't stop for ages. So I thought, oh hold on, what's going on now? So I poked my head out the curtain. There's no one in the bathroom. The water must be coming from somewhere else. So I was just waiting for nothing. I'll go and shower, have a nice shower. And then I was like, oh, someone's left their sun cream from like, they've moved, they've checked out. So I was like, oh, let me give this a try. And I was like, oh, this is quite nice. So I was like rubbing myself down with sun cream. I must have got carried away because by the time I got back to my bed, my friends had been and gone. So I've had to get my own ride to the marina. Hopefully they've waited. It's not a great start to New Year's Eve. I think I'm here now, so fingers crossed. Gracias, amigo. I made it in time for my wristband, so I'm happy. My friends aren't very happy, but So good. So basically, this guy here, he's just a mobile bar. He's a floating bar. And look at this. Best pina colada I've ever had. So good. I mean, so good. Particularly good because I could put my own rum in it, but he's just floating around all day with a bar. And he just delivers drinks. Hey!
Hola.
4 más, por favor.
Can we hook you on?
Reporting back from the heart of Cartagena on New Year's Eve. I mean, busy is one thing. Fireworks are literally just all over the shop. They're not in one place. There is we met some really nice locals. They got some really cool traditions. We heard on the way down here that eat like red grapes as part of their celebration. Like, I think it's like something to do with good luck in the new year or stuff like that. So we bought a bag of fucking red grapes. We're munching away these fucking grapes and we weren't seasoning them. This is horrible. It's fucking disgusting.
Es la mejor noche!
Sorry, that's Sean Paul, Sean Paul's brother. Really busy in the centre of town, really fun. Fireworks, like proper libraries, music all over the shop, loads of people. Like, no trouble, like everyone's just really happy. I gotta say, I recommend Cartagena for New Year's. Like it's good. What is going on? Why is this geese just jumping in the trash? Yeah, anyway, over and out for New Year's. New Year's in Cartagena. It's fun place. Hola chicos, it's New Year's Day, 1st of Jan 2025. Feeling slightly worse for wear. Yesterday was a big old day. We started off at that beach club. It was a pretty early start. I think we had our first drink at like 9 o'clock. Pina coladas in the actual pineapples, which was great. Swimming in the sea, beautiful weather, beautiful water, DJ playing music, sunbed. Yeah, first time I've done that. I'd quite like to do that again. Today, I'm just gonna chill. It's been 2 weeks now, I've been in Colombia, and I'm fucking exhausted. I'm gonna try not to drink today. I'm gonna be good, I'm gonna behave, because tomorrow I have an early bus to Santa Marta in order to get to Minca. I need to go get my laundry, pack, catch up on my friends back home, maybe meet the guys for dinner, our last dinner, because I think everyone's going their separate ways tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna grab breakfast, coffee, and just chill. That's it. See you in a bit. Hopefully, that couple are not in there. I'd have to fight over the air conditioning because what kind of psychos like turn off the air conditioning? It's like 32 degrees. Who can sleep in that? And I'm thinking about dorms. It made me, when I woke up this morning grumpy, I was like, maybe I need to move into a private room for a couple of days. Recharge me old batteries. I don't have to put up with other people's shit. Do you know how small the world it is? Do you know how small the world it is? The couple that I was just moaning about, we just walked past them. So that's a good thing, is that they're not in the dorm, which means I can turn on the AC and make it like a fucking freezer in there when they get back. Wankers. Anyway, on that note, I will see you guys later. They've moved out. They're living over there. I'm up here. But it means I'd have to fight over this. I win. My thoughts of trying to not going to drink today and be good has kind of gone out the window. So I think I'm going to actually go on a bar crawl now. New girl moved into the dorm and she's had a fucking shit time in Colombia so far. So we'll take her for a few drinks and meet our pals later. And yeah, I guess this is what happens sometimes when you're doing travelling. It's been fun. It's been a nice way to say goodbye to the city. I love this place. It's great. This is farewell from Cartagena. So, ciao. Adios. Buenas noches.
I hope you enjoyed part 2 of my Cartagena vlog. If you haven't already, please check out one of the other episodes of this Colombia travel series, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
I just wanna go out and walk with you, baby.